Alright, so we're going to try to fix this muffler with some muffler cement. It's got some pretty good ratings, so I thought I'd give it a shot. This seam down the side here split completely. I'm just going to try to rough it up with some 240. Get a nice bite. And then we're going to use our trusty Harbor Freight heat gun. So we try to open up the molecules on the muffler, and then we will spread it in with our Bondo spreader. Try to pack it in real nice, real tight into that crack, and let it sit for, I don't know, 24 hours, a couple days. It's worth a shot. A new muffler is going to be like 50 to 100 bucks, so if we can save this one, that's great. The rest of the exhaust is pretty okay, so we'll see what we can do with this stuff. Take our muffler cement here, put it right onto our Bondo spreader. I'll start off with some small dabs, see what we can make happen. Just kind of smear it over a crack, just like you're spreading Bondo. Now, it's not going to be very pretty, but this isn't a show truck. Just trying to get a few months out of this fix. Try to get an inspection sticker. And then if it really bugs us down the road, spend the 50, 100 bucks on the muffler, and everything will be just fine. But get a nice generous spread on there. There we go. Put some more on there. Now this stuff's pretty cheap, so don't be shy. Get a nice good amount on there. Pack it into that crease. I'll do a couple more layers here. Right there. I'll put some more over here. Try to get some on there. There we go. And then one little dab more, and that should be good. Yeah, so like I said, it's not going to be pretty, but you know, it's a temporary fix for now. So I don't know, let it sit overnight, check it in the morning. Probably don't want to start it up in the morning, but yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, nice little cheap fix. Muffler cement, iron reinforced. So I don't know, we'll see what happens, and if it sticks, well, then we're a business. But like I said, I'm just trying to get a few months out of it. So yeah, there you go. It's how to fix a muffler for cheap.